Welcome to Little Shed Workshop. Today I'm going to sort out this desk clutter by making a desktop organiser. So one or two people have been telling me that I need to start talking on my videos. So I'll start off by cutting down these 12mm plywood panels. I'm just cutting them down to the sizes that I need to make up all the parts for what I'm going to make. Just having a quick check of the notes there and some more cutting. More cutting here. There's a lot of cutting. Until eventually I end up with a pile of plywood panels. So I'm just trying to go through my cutting sheet here and just making sure that I've got everything. And I look a little bit confused. It's probably because I am. So I set the height of the table saw blade to 3mm. And that way I can cut a groove into my panels. And by moving the fence over and repeating the process, I'll end up with a dado for the joints to hold this whole thing together. Like that. So basically it's just more of the same. Take a pass, move the fence over 2mm, because that's the width of the saw blade, and just keep moving it over by 2mm, take a pass, move it over 2mm, take another pass. Just keep on doing this until the width of the dado is the right size to accept the one on the other panel. And at this point I'm just sneaking up on the cut. Once I know I've got that right, I can then take the final cutting on the panel. So here I'm just cleaning up the dados with a chisel. So I've made a mistake here. I've cut the groove into both sides of the panel. And really, when I realised my mistake, I decided to do both panels the same, just to match up, and I'll sort it out later. So after cutting out a bunch of panels and cutting out a load of dados, I'm left with a load of panels with dados. So I give all these panels with dados a light sanding. So it was around this time I realised that I needed to cut out a small section at the bottom of the back panel, and since my bandsaw blade is snapped and my router table is non-existent, the most accurate way I could think to do this was to raise the blade through the material and go from one point to another which I previously marked off. This is not a technique I would recommend. It's not the safest way of doing this. I could have used a jigsaw. So the riving knife had to be removed to perform the operation, so if you do remove the riving knife for any reason, try to remember to put it back on. It's not safe to use your table saw without a riving knife. So I just give that panel another sand and start putting everything together. Just doing a dry fit just to make sure that things are going to go together first of all before I start gluing up. So I was happy that everything goes together okay. Took it all apart again and started with the glue up. And I'm just using Gorilla Glue and a old pin nailer that I've got. It's just an electric one that I've had for years. I don't even remember why I bought it, to be honest. But it does the job for now. So this was quite a long glue up, so I'm just going to let the video play out. You can see here the cutout that I made on the back panel, and it's mainly for just running wires out the back of the unit, just laptop wires and things like that. So I'm taking a measurement here, so I'm going to make a couple of little pen pots, and I just need a little piece of ply to slide in to create the front panel of the pen pots. So I'm just going to come up on the table saw. And they're just going to glue in. They should be plenty strong enough. They're not going to have any pressure on them or anything, so they're just gluing them in without any dados or any other joineries should be fine. So I just took the orbital sander and just giving the front and the top a sand, just smooth off the plywood edges and to smooth out any imperfections in the joinery. sand over the front edge of the top. So I realised that the pen pot holders were a little bit too long and the pens and pencils were just kind of falling over and a bit messy, so I decided to make these little dividers to fit in the middle of the pen pot, just so that the pens and pencils would stand up a little bit more straight. It looks a bit neater. And they're just going to get glued in as well. So here I'm just going up some 6mm MDF to make some drawers. There's going to be 4 drawers in this unit, and somehow or other I managed to lose most of the footage. But these are the drawers made up, and I'm just masking it off. So I want to spray the drawer fronts with black spray. So I'll just take them all outside one at a time and spray the fronts. As you can see there. I then take the main unit outside to spray that with some spray on polyurethane. And I just give that one coat. The unit's just going to be on my office desk, so I think one coat should be enough. So the drawer fronts, they're just getting a sand down. I just want to distress the front, and you'll see what I mean by that later on in the video. And then the drawers are finished with a couple of coats of clear spray on wax. The good thing about the wax finish is that the drawers can slide in and out really smoothly. So here's the finished unit sat on my desk. I made these drawers specifically to fit my printer ink cartridges in and any other bits and pieces. I kind of like it. I think it does its job. I don't know what you guys think. Leave a comment down below if you like it, or if you don't, just tell me what you think's wrong. I think overall the build's not too bad. You can see the joints are not perfect, but fairly tight. And the drawer fronts, you can see what I mean by when I said I was distressing it with the sanding, just taking the edge off, making the drawer fronts look a bit old and worn. It's kind of the look I wanted on them. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked the video. If you did, please subscribe. I really appreciate your support. And I'll see you next time.